Door file storage solutions for small homes make efficient use of thin spaces behind doors to keep home office paperwork organized and accessible. Start by measuring the clearance behind the door and the door swing to know the maximum depth and height you can use. Then choose a system that leaves at least 1 inch of air gap so files do not catch when the door closes. Wall-mounted vertical file pockets are ideal for shallow spaces. Install them on a solid substrate or use heavy-duty anchors. Place the pockets so the topmost folder is no higher than eye level, and rotate active files forward so you only touch what you need. If you have a closet with a shallow depth, fit slim pull-out file drawers on ball-bearing slides rated for at least 50 pounds, and fix a stop so the drawer cannot pull completely out. Use standardized folder sizes and label the front edge with year and category for quick retrieval. For underdesk areas or tight corners, slim rolling file cabinets on narrow casters slide into gaps and lock in place, and you can add a fabric or plastic skirt to hide them while keeping ventilation for long-term document preservation. Magnetic file holders work well on metal doors such as utility or garage doors. Choose strong magnetic bases and keep heavier or older records in lower pockets to prevent tipping. And combine with a clipboard or document tray for current projects. Stacked document boxes labeled by year are a low-cost option for archives. Use acid-free boxes or at least stable cardboard. Keep the heaviest boxes on the bottom. And store boxes horizontally with labels facing outward so you can remove one without disturbing the stack. 3 common mistakes are overfilling pockets or drawers so files jam and damage folders, not reinforcing the mounting surface which leads to pull-out and wall damage, and mixing active paperwork with long-term archives so the system becomes cluttered. Prevent overfilling by culling every 6 months and keeping a purge box for recycling. Prevent mounting failures by locating studs or using rated anchors and checking weight limits of mounts. And separate active and archival workflows by keeping a single front pocket or tray for current tasks and boxed archives for records you only access occasionally. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners seeking compact door file storage ideas with local contractors who can measure, install, and customize solutions to fit narrow spaces. And our community discussion area lets people share photos, ask questions, and compare materials and methods. We list contractor profiles so tradespeople can find work and homeowners can see experience in project examples, and we encourage conversation in our discussion community for real-world tips and recommendations.